Please subscribe my channel.
Fast open your email.
Open your favorite browser.
Then click on Compose. You can send the email that you can see in the email. Subject means you will send over the subject. Below you can see the Sends Options Format option. Attach file. You can send more than one email. You can see many options below. You can send more than one email. Choose to whom you will send.
Then click on your arrows.
I showed in his prompts in the email.
Please subscribe my channel.
Thanks everyone for watching this video.